Hello, welcome to the UltFone channel. Still looking around for free screencasting software? Congratulations, you landed in a good place. In today's tutorial, we will quickly learn how you can mirror your iPhone to PC for free. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Now let's get started. In order to mirror your iPhone to PC, we need a software called UltFone iOS Date Manager. There is a free download link in the description area. Download and open it. Then connect your iPhone to your computer. Go back to UltFone iOS Date Manager and click More Tools. You can see the feature of real-time screen. It's free. You can use it whenever you want. Click it and then you can see your iPhone screen on your iPhone. When the screen of the mobile phone changes, the screen on the computer will also change with the iPhone. This way you can see your photo albums, notes, videos, etc. on your computer at the same time. It is recommended to maintain a good network, otherwise the screencast will not be smooth enough. There are 3 more functions on the right side of the screen. You can use the first one to save screenshots to local. Use the second one to copy screenshots to Clipboard. Use the second button to enter full screen mode. It's so easy, right? The most important thing is that this feature is free. Go to download and try it. So guys, that's all for today's video. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.